Okay, so those are smart reviews. This is my favorite feature in the entire app. And let me show you why. So look at those two review sections. On the first glance, they're very similar. So you see the first two reviews are the same. But if you look below, you can see that those are a lot lower quality. And this is sorting by time. And on the right, you have our AI smart assistant who picked automatically for this product out of 354 reviews. It picked the best converting, the most useful reviews. So what is the use case? Imagine you have 200 products and each of them has 100 reviews. Those are this is thousands of reviews. And if you want to get the most benefit out of your reviews, you should show the best ones at the top. So it doesn't mean only 5-star reviews, because this is a 5-star review and it's not too good. You want to show the best quality reviews, and this is what this feature will do automatically 24/7 on all of your products. So if you really want to optimize to the maximum, so get that 30 to 40% increase in conversions and 20% reduction in returns because people are more better informed about the product, you need to show them the best reviews that you have for each of the products. And this feature will basically do the whole job for you. Normally you would have to get yourself out or somebody from your team to do this thing for you. And it's pretty much impossible. Imagine reading through a few hundred reviews on each of the products. Or you'd have to count, some of the review apps, they have this thumbs up, thumbs down feature, but most of the shops, you're not Amazon, so you're not going to get enough people through your door to mark those reviews. So you can't really count on that. And this is basically a tool that we built that alleviates this problem. I hope this is useful. So if you have any questions about this feature, just let us know. Just use the chat on the right.